So, welcome back to the Family Day Trippers. Today we are at Legoland Windsor. I must thank everyone for reaching 400 subscribers. Our next big goal is 500. Hopefully we can get there soon. I'm going to enjoy the day. Outside the Dragon. It's before 10 o'clock, so we can't actually get in the actual queue yet, but I'm hoping it's a good ride. Last year it did break down, so we couldn't get it on it, so hopefully this time we will.
So just come off the Dragon, George. What did you think?
Very good. I thought it was a bit longer than it actually was, but still a very good ride. Now we are just queuing up for Pirate Falls. Hopefully it'll cool us off a little bit. Pirate Falls. I got very wet, but it's nice because it's a very, very hot day, and we are doing really well. The queues are really quiet, and this queue does look long, but it actually isn't. So I hope we enjoy the ride in Ninjago. I've never done Ninjago before. This is my first time, even though I've been to Legoland many times. Ninjago. We haven't just been on Ninjago, we've had some lunch. That is a new credit for me and I thought it's very good. At first it wasn't working for me, but then it did and I really enjoyed it. Now we're queuing up for the Monster Party Mars House, whatever it's called, and I hope you enjoy the ride.
Woohoo! Night time! My favourite! Best time for the Bat Boogie! You must all join in! I declare the most spectacular party trick ever ready!
We've just been on the Haunted House Monster Party. It was a very good ride. We're now queuing up for Deep Sea Adventure, which has been renamed from Atlantis something or other. But I'm hoping this is a good ride. It's saying 45-minute queue. Personally, I think it's going to be longer, but hopefully we can get on it soon.
Explorers, it's nearly time for your adventure. Welcome to Deep Sea Adventure HQ. I'm the Master Diver here, and we need you to help us on our latest mission. Recruits.
really cooled me down. Now I'm going to go on Lego City Driving School, and Shane's going to get some off-road footage from around the park.
So over there you can see part of the COVID-19 procedures in place, sanitising all the cars between each ride. We had a walk-on ride, and now that is a Legoland first. Now before we went on driving school, I did do a vlog before we went on Mia's riding, before we went on the driving school in fact. I did get my driving licence, which I'm quite proud of. Now we're going to head over to the Jolly Rocker.
Well, Shane and George are just getting on the Jolly Rocker. It's not a ride for me, it's got to be said. Makes my stomach go all funny. And Will's sitting out on it as well. Here we are, they're just getting on. Well, here we go then.
The Jolly Rocker.
The Jolly Rocker. So now we're going to go on Merlin's Quest, and we are hoping to enjoy the ride. Anyway, now we are queuing up for a re-ride of the Dragon. And we are now just going to do some stuff in the plaza, and then we're going to head home. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and and maybe head down there, click the thumbs up button. And while you're down there, maybe if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when all the latest Family Day Trippers videos are out.